Welcome friends, please remember on this channel I usually post more advanced math videos. So here we have a nice exercise. We have this shape called a tetrahedron. So you have a vector AB, a vector AC, and a vector AD. Then we have the altitude from here to here. And the volume of such an object is 1/3 of the area of ABC times the altitude from D down to triangle ABC. So here this is also, let's call this theta. Let's say it's made this way. And then we have this as the height. What we want to do is derive using these vectors AB, AC, and AD a formula for the volume of this shape, applying this definition essentially. So first, since this is AD, then we'll call AD this magnitude right here of that vector. And this is the height h, and this is the angle theta. So what we can do is begin with a previously established relative to this elementary fact, which is that ABC here, it's a triangle. So we can write down 1/2 of the cross product of AB with AC, and that represents the area of the base triangle. And then this is the magnitude AD. So we can write down the following by the definition relative to this angle. Then h is kind of like the adjacent side. So we're going to have h over the magnitude AD is equal to cosine of theta. So multiply, so h would be equal to magnitude of AD cosine of theta. Now once that is in place, think about what happens next here. So take this and multiply by this essentially. That's what it's saying, right? 1/3. So V sub t, the volume of this object, would be 1/3. And then the 1/2 from here. And then the magnitude of AB crossed with AC. And then further, all of that multiplied by AD magnitude and the cosine of the angle. But now this is just 1/6. What happens with this? We have to interpret this result a particular way right here now, okay? All of this. So this is of the following form, if you think about it. This is a vector magnitude A times another vector, call it B for now. And then you have the cosine of the angle between them. So the cosine of the angle between them, that means the following then. It's going to be an absolute value because it's a volume. So 1/6 of the absolute value of AB crossed with AC. That's a vector. And then you just dot that with the vector AD. So like this. So it's 1/6 of the absolute value of the AB crossed with AC dotted with AD. And then using these vectors, if they were given to, you can find the volume using this formula, and this is how you derive it. That's really it, friends. So if you like math videos at this level, abstract level perhaps, or a more advanced level, non-routine level, please be sure to subscribe and like. I'll see you in another video.